In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export designs for social media platforms in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly which buttons to click, which settings to choose, and how to make sure your design looks crisp and professional on any platform you post to. Let's start inside your Canva design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, the first thing you need to do is head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is Canva's main menu for anything you want to do with your design, whether that's collaborating, presenting, or exporting. Clicking Share opens a panel with a variety of options, but for now we're going to focus on getting a file you can post on social media. In that Share panel, look for the Download option and click on it. This is what tells Canva you're ready to save a copy of your design to your computer or device. When you select Download, a new set of controls appears, and this is where you'll choose the exact format and size that work best for your social platform. Next, you'll see a drop-down labeled File Type. Click on that to choose the format. For most social media graphics, PNG or JPG will be your go-to. PNG is great if you want a sharp image, especially with text and graphics, while JPG is usually smaller in file size and works well for photos. If you're exporting a video or animated design, you'd choose an option like MP4, but if it's a static post, stick with PNG or JPG for best results. After choosing your file type, scroll down to the size or dimension section. This is where you match your design to the platform you're posting on. As a general guide, an Instagram post works well at 1080 by 1080 pixels. Instagram stories are taller, so go for 1080 by 1920 pixels. For a Facebook post, 1200 by 630 pixels is a solid choice. If you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, use 1280 by 720 pixels, and for a LinkedIn post, 1200 by 1200 pixels keeps things clean and square. If your design was started with a different size, you can use Canva's resize or custom size options to adjust those dimensions before downloading. Just make sure important text isn't too close to the edges so nothing gets cut off in the feed. Once your file type and size are set, click the download button, wait for Canva to process, and your file will be ready to upload directly to your chosen social media platform.